Alright, so we have to create a digital signature for this S.B.A. Alright, the English S.B.A. So what you'd have to do, there are approximately 3 ways you can do it. One, you can use a device such as a tablet or something, a touchscreen device, right, to basically create the signature, right? This is one. This is the first option at the top. Second, you can use a picture or something that you already have. Say, for example, you wrote a signature on a piece of paper and you want to edit it and so forth. You want to use your actual signature. It's a little bit tricky, but you can use that, right? Next, you'd have to create a new ID, right? A while ago you saw that I already had my ID right here, but you would have to create a digital ID, right? When you are done creating the digital ID, it will be electronic, it will not look fancy, it will not look like a signature at all, but at the end of the day, it can be signed this way, right? So you will click create new digital ID, you will click continue, then you're going to click save to file. This means that it will be saved on your computer. The second option also save it to a Windows certificate that's somewhere that they think is safe. Adobe or Windows thinks it's safe, right? But click save to file. This will save the digital ID to somewhere on your computer. You click continue. You're going to enter your name. Say, for example, let's use Jane Brown. You put Jane Brown as a name. Next, it will ask for organizational unit, right? You're going to put St. Catherine High School. Oh wait, no, the unit. The unit you're going to put English department. Sorry. So the unit you put the department in which you are in. English department. Next is going to ask for organization name, which is where you put St. Catherine I. Alright. Next is going to ask you for an email. You need a reliable email, one that you can remember the password to. Because this is where in case CXC want to send you some information or some information needs to get back to you, right, from whoever is looking at the file. Then you put in your email. So let's say we use brownjane@gmail.com, right? You click the country, which case you just click down here and go down and find Jamaica. You leave these two, the key algorithm, and use digital signature for. You don't change it because this is accurate, right? 2048 bit and the digital signature, you're using it for a digital signature, so leave it. Don't trouble these two. Click continue. It will ask you for a password. You can use the password that you use for the email. That's what I do because it's easier to remember. Or you can create a password that you can remember. Something simple. Nobody will see your password. The password is just there in case somebody borrow your laptop. Say, for example, a student is on your laptop and something needs signing, them can sign it using it if them have your password. So use a password that you can remember. You can use it for the email because I doubt you'd use an email address that your kids would know and know the password for. Right up, so you create the you type in the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Well, you see it's red at the moment, so normally it's something alphanumeric, but let me use password 1, right? Capital P and so forth. So it turned green because it's a password that is not easy to act like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. However, nobody not gonna know your password, so you don't have to trouble that. You don't have to make nothing complex. You don't have to change your password. Just use a password that you can remember. Confirm your password. You type in it back.